Good afternoon. It's Ben from the Buggy Farm, and we're still working on this 150 XRS Trailmaster. When it come to me, they said it ran, but it wouldn't move. I looked in here, pulled the side cover off, found the belt all chewed up. Still getting chunks of it out of there, but we're ready to move on to the next step. So, pull the tire off. And then you gotta pull. Sometimes you need to pull this mud flap off. It has a little bolt coming out the side. I like to put it back in there so you don't lose it. And that way you get the right one back in there. Alright, setting that aside. Sorry about all the camera spinning. Due to the magic of TV. Always make sure you keep up with the washer off that variator end. Keep up with all your goodies. But you need to reach around behind, hold all that together as it comes up. And today it seems to be a little stuck. That's because it probably over revved several times trying to make it go. And let's just open it up and see what we got here. See if I can hold this. The guides are here. They look fine. The variator's not eat up too bad on the inside. But the main reason you pull that over, anytime you got it off, you check it out. You see here, these are way overused roller weights. See, some have a coating on them, some don't. Should be 6 of them. See, we're even missing one. We'll get all this cleaned up. Little boss come out of there. We'll get all this cleaned up, see what's good, what ain't. Those ain't no good. Now, see the other end. This is the clutch. See the purple? That clutch has been way too hot. Again, with the washers. Keep up with them. Stack them together. That way you know which one came off which end. These clutches, they get hot like that. They kind of get out around. I got a place over there for junk clutches. Junk, that's a clutch bell. See him behind this clutch, you still got more of this debris from that belt. And I feel some of that is the rollers. Came open and let one of them rollers out or something. And look at that clutch. It's like it's been left in the rain. Maybe that side was sitting on bottom. Seal looks good. Stock spring on the inside. We'll get all that changed out, freshened up. Next time you see the inside of this, when we start putting it back together, it'll look like new. All right. Thanks for watching.